Okay. Same how we created object to the abstract class, we are going to create same way, because these two are child to the remote control interface. This is the parent. But if you notice here, one problem is there. Okay, by giving RC dot, see here, we are getting these variables. Okay, color is there. If you try to set value, it won't allow, because the final field, okay, whenever you are defining any variable, right, in interface, you cannot change the value. Okay, but coming to abstract class, you can change value in child classes. Okay, just you can use the same thing, remote control color, whatever we have, right? We can print the same thing. That's it. You cannot do any values. You cannot set any values here. This is about variables. You cannot change the value. You cannot change value for price as well as color. Coming to methods, yes, whatever we created methods, right? You can access dot turn off button. Same way, set up box, turn on button, turn off button. Okay, coming to different, let me define another interface. At a time, I want to implement multiple interfaces. Through abstract class, we cannot able to achieve multiple inheritance, but coming to interface, we can achieve RC2. Finish, public, void, increase volume, decrease volume. Okay, these two methods also belongs to the remote controls. What I'm going to do, I'm going to implement the RC2 as well. I'm going here, TV remote, okay, comma, RC2. See, there is no error. Here it is showing that add unimplemented methods. Increase TV volume. Like this, we can implement the multiple interfaces at a time. It will support for multiple inheritance. At a time, we can implement multiple interfaces, 2, 3, based on your requirements. Here also same thing. Go here, setup box. Where is the setup box control? Comma, RC2. Then you will get the methods. This is the advantage of interface. At a time, we can implement multiple interfaces like this. Coming to abstract class, no, we cannot implement. Here we have remote control proof. I'm going to the remote control, then comma, remote control 2. If you try to give, it will throw exception because it won't allow you. Okay. In Java, they will ask you how to achieve multiple inheritance. By using interface, we can achieve multiple inheritance. Coming to interface, it contains only abstract methods. Then second one, by using implements keyword, we can implement interface. Third one, variables we cannot access in child classes. Those are final. Then fourth one, it will support for multiple inheritance. because at a time we can implement multiple interfaces. At least you can say 3 points from each. Okay. They will ask you what is the difference between abstract class and interface. Some people they will ask you what is the difference between abstract and interface. Okay, you need to explain this, and some people they will ask you code as well. Okay, you can explain same example. Okay, this is about abstract class and interface. We can achieve 100% abstraction using interface because here we have only abstract methods. That's why we can achieve 100% abstraction. We covered abstraction, inheritance. Okay, polymorphism. What is polymorphism? This interface concept related to Selenium as well. Okay, how this? Okay, let me complete that as well. We can see later as well. There is no urgency. Polymorphism in Selenium also they took same concept. Okay, interface concept. They created like this interfaces. Selenium web driver. There is the interface. Here we have different methods: public, void, open, browser. Just call this command. It will open your desired browser. Public, void. Okay, for your understanding, I am saying these methods. Okay, if you see Selenium, we have different methods. For your understanding this concept interface, I created generic methods. Enter URL. Maximize browser like this. Then we are going to implement Chrome browser. For all browsers, right? They created as a classes. Chrome browser, implement Selenium web driver. Okay, you'll get the unimplemented method because all are unimplemented methods. Only thing you need to write here, Chrome browser opened. Here Chrome browser closed. Like this. Okay, I'm not going to write all methods, just two methods. Same way, Firefox browser, IE browser, Safari browser. Same thing they did. This is the internal implementation of Selenium. That's why I'm from day one onwards, I'm saying that okay, please go through all concepts. These are interrelated with the Selenium. If you call this method Firefox browser, okay, now if you want to execute, you need to create main method. Let me create here Selenium web driver equal to, or you can give Chrome equal to new Chrome browser. By using this reference, if you are going to call the methods, open browser, close browser. Same way, we are going to create object to the Firefox. Firefox, Mozilla, both are same only. Firefox browser, Firefox dot open browser. Methods are same, okay, but implementation is different. These methods we are going to implement from the main. What happened? Change to okay. Oh, chat. I need to save this. Okay, otherwise it will throw exception. Yeah. Now you should try to execute. You will get the output. From browser opened, from browser closed, Firefox browser opened. Same methods we are calling, but the implementation is different. Okay. This is about interface concept. Same thing they implemented. They took from the Java OOPS concept. They implemented the same thing. Coming to polymorphism, here we have method overloading, method overriding. This method overloading will happen at compile time. Some people, okay, if they want to confuse you, they will ask you what is compile time polymorphism. Then what is runtime polymorphism? Okay, what is method overloading? Suppose we have multiple methods with multiple methods, okay, with the same name and different parameters or arguments. Then there is method overloading. Okay, already I explained you this concept. Let's take one class. Here I am going to have multiple methods. Public void add. Okay, in Java, if you try to give same method name, it will throw exception. Right? Here, what I am going to do, I am going to add like this int a. Here it will take one argument. Method name is same, but arguments are different. Parameters are different. Okay, like this, we can define the n number of methods. Here also we have one integer, one double. Like this, we can write n number of methods with this combination. Method names are same, but passing different parameters, different arguments. This is method overloading. Coming to overriding, this is the best example. Parent class having same methods, child class having same methods, but implementation is different. This is called overriding. Here implementation is different. Here implementation is different. Okay. Override. By default, we are getting override. I am not adding any override. Okay. Just I am going to implement the particular interface and I am going to implement. By default, you will get, when you will get this override at runtime. Method overloading, it will occur at compile time. Method overriding, it will occur at runtime. Parent class and child class having same method names. But implementation is different. This is called method overriding. Just to explain these concepts, that is enough. Okay. No need to go through. If you go to Java book, right, you will get thousands of pages. Okay. Don't go through all that. Okay. Whatever I am teaching, just follow my instructions. That is fine for you. But whenever I am completing, I am giving task, right? You just complete the task. Okay. Then another pending topic is there, encapsulation. Generally, this encapsulation, right, we are going to use for uh, hiding the keywords or variables using private keyword. You want to access these private keywords. Suppose I am declaring private salary. Okay, I don't want to display outside of class. Within same class, we can able to access. Private method also same thing. Then if you want to access this, you need to generate getters and setters. By using these getters and setters, you can able to access these private variables. Okay, let me create one. Private int age, private string name. Okay, these are the private keywords. Suppose if I want to access in human one, I can't able to access because these are private keyword. Within same class, I can able to access. Still, I want to access this. Yes, we have option. Right click here. Go to source. Okay, here we will get the generate getters and setters. For these two, you need to generate getters and setters. Select, then generate. See, you will get like this. Get age, get name, set name. If you want to access this directly, we cannot access these private variables. By these methods, we can able to access. New class human one with main method. Now human need to create object human equal to new human. With this reference, you will get the get age, set age. If you want to set age, you can you can change the values for final. Sorry, whenever you are declaring private keywords, you can access by using getters and setters like this. Get age. If you define any age, you will get the particular age here. If you want to set age also, it is available. You can set your own age. Okay, this is about Java OOPS concepts. Okay, please go through all these concepts. Monday, I'm planning to conduct it is kind of exam. Okay, just I want to know. With this, we are going to complete the Java concepts. We are next class onwards. I will take couple of sessions on how to do manual testing, how to write test cases as well. Then we'll start with automation testing Selenium. Okay. For whatever pending topics we have, please try to complete tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Friday, yeah, tomorrow also. See, yeah, I will tell you whether I am going to take session or not. Okay. Bye.